This is a 10-year-old boy named Jimmy. He lives in West Lafayette, Indiana. His parents are professors and teach at Purdue University. It is summertime, so the whole family is on summer vacation. Jimmy just finished 4th grade and will be going into 5th grade in the fall. He had just learned about landforms this past year in school. His parents said that they were going to go on a road trip this summer to visit and view all the landforms around the country. They first went to Bloomington, Indiana to camp at Lake Monroe. It was about a 2-hour drive from West Lafayette, so a pretty short trip. Jimmy learned that a lake is a fresh body of water that is surrounded by land, so he knew there would be plenty of fish but no sharks. Jimmy did a lot of fun activities while at Lake Monroe. He fished with his parents, swam in the lake, and made s'mores while camping at night. Jimmy and his parents left Lake Monroe and drove 12 hours to Cape May, New Jersey. Jimmy knows a cape is a smaller section of land extending into a body of water from a larger piece of land. Cape May extends out into the Atlantic Ocean from New Jersey. Jimmy got to view the physical appearance of what a cape is like and also an ocean. An ocean is a large expanse of water that has salt. Jimmy boogie boarded in the ocean and built sandcastles on the beach. Now Jimmy and his family head west to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. A peninsula is an area of land almost completely surrounded by water. The Upper Peninsula is mostly bordered by Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, and Lake Huron. At the Upper Peninsula, the family goes to Tequannoman State Park to visit the Tequannoman Waterfalls. They walked along a trail to reach the waterfall. A waterfall is created by a drop-off in the land which causes the water from the river to fall. This waterfall is 50 feet tall and 200 feet wide. Next, they traveled further west for over a day to Glacier National Park in Montana. Jimmy remembered learning that a glacier is a slow-moving, large mass of ice. At the park, Jimmy and his family got to hike on a glacier. They also toured a glacial lake by a wooden boat. That was Jimmy's favorite part. The family now travels 10 hours to see the uncommon landform of Pilot Butte. This butte is over 4,000 feet tall. Jimmy learned that a butte is a hill with a flat top and steep sides. It resembles a cylinder. There, the family walked a trail which had a great view of the butte, and they had a picnic close by. Jimmy and his family head towards Arizona to Grand Canyon National Park. Jimmy knows a canyon is a ravine formed by the downcutting of a river. They got to hike down to the bottom of the canyon. The family travels back east for their final destination of Tennessee to visit the Great Smoky Mountains. There, they got to horseback ride on the trails around the mountain. Jimmy and his family arrived back to West Lafayette with plenty of pictures and personal experience of the landforms around the U.S.